Hi, this is Tattoo Tony playing my theme song. Enjoy.
Hey guys, this is Tattoo Tony. Thank you for tuning in. This video, we're going to show you how to find and scope out a building to explore and what you might find inside. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section. Also, please like the video. It'll help us make more videos, get more views, make more videos. It's further along, but I did lose a bar on my battery. So the sign above this sign is about a $25 reward for anybody that has information leading to I don't know, any type of theft or vandalism. Back when that sign was put up, it was probably the equivalent of $1,000. The architect was A.H. Kirchmer.
Here's 25 bucks.
Back then, that was probably like $1,000, though, to be honest. And also a fallout shelter. We were looking at different places where we might be able to get in. I mean, the only thing I'm saying is that's what we do. You know what I mean? That's what we're known for, my friend. Is our people that watch that are like, what are you doing? You guys are going in them neighborhoods and going on stuff. What's the bottom one? What's under that, looking at latch there? What do you need, Andrew? Andrew, here. Can you put that against the wall? Hurry, before we get caught. Don't make a lot of noise, dude. Leave that against the wall. Hurry up, bro. Hurry. Here. You can do it. Before somebody comes. There's a car looking. You're good. Damn, you need to work out. Although I say that and I had you. Can you jump out? It's worth it though, dude. I did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, Andrew. What's wrong?
I'm out of breath.
Oh. I'm sorry, dude. You alright?
I'm good.
Okay. I just thought you'd want to really get in here. Now, my rule of thumb is I never make an entrance into a building or rip anything off or break anything open. I try to find something that's already open. Huh? I don't know. Probably. You ready? Oh. Find a school today?
No.
No, we didn't have them with us this time, but it's always a good idea in these big old buildings to have respirators, and they need to filter out organic and vapors. You can find them at Home Depot or Lowe's. Also extra batteries and memory cards for your cameras, good sturdy shoes, a flashlight. Long pants and long sleeves are a pretty good idea too, and maybe a pair of gloves. Now Andrew and I live near and in St. Louis, which has a lot of urban decay and dilapidated areas, but if you live near rural areas, you can find areas where there's abandoned barns, You know, finding these places, there's no magic. Hey, here's a bunch of abandoned spots. Most of the places, there are some landmarks that you can find near you listed online, near Chicago, Gary, Indiana, that everybody knows about and everybody's filmed. But the best stuff that me and Andrew found, we found by just driving around, looking for things. And you can mark them on your Google Maps. Waypoints, find them, maybe park. A lot of times you won't find your entrance to an old abandoned house full of stuff right on the front of the house. If you just walk around the abandoned lot, you'll find something open in the back. Now you always do have to be aware that there may be somebody living in the house, squatting in it. There will be a second part to this video where we're going to talk about this more. In fact, what do you guys think about a video series where we show you driving around, finding a building, looking at it, going inside, and talk about how to become a urban explorer? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, and before Halloween or on Halloween I will put out the second part to this video. Bye for now.